Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, how are you guys? So today we are going to start lesson number 13, which is rounding fractions to the nearest whole number. And thank you very much guys for watching and learning here. You guys are really the best audience. Let's begin. So rounding fractions to the nearest whole number. So question is given in the form of mixed fraction and we have to round them to the nearest whole number, right? So this is the whole number, this is the numerator value, and this is the denominator value, right? Now we have to focus on the denominator value, which is 10. So what is the half of 10? So half of 10 is 5. So half of 10 is 5. Now we have to compare numerator value with this 5, right? So numerator value is 2 and the half of 10 is 5. Now see, since we know that 2 is less than 5, so if the numerator value is less than half of your denominator value, then you keep your whole number as it is, right? Since this 2 is less than 5, so we keep this whole number as it is and this will be our final answer. If in case, if your value, if this 2 is okay, let's move on to the next question. We'll discuss that in the question number 2. So question number 2 is 4 whole 3 over 6. So your denominator value is 6. What is a half of 6? So half of 6 is 3. Now we have to compare this 3 with the numerator value. Now tell me, this 3 is less, equal, or greater than this 3? So since this 3 is equal to this 3, so when we have the numerator value that is equal to or more than this value, then you have to add 1 in your whole number, right? So this number will become, your whole number is 4, and add 1 into it. So this will become 5. Right? Simple. Okay, moving on to the question number 3. So your over here, my denominator value is 12. Half of 12 is 6. So there is no need to write these numbers that I put them in a circle, that are in a circle. So this is just for your understanding, right? So half of 12 is 6. Now compare this 6 with the numerator value. Since 10 is more than 6, so what we have to do, we have to add 1 in the whole number. So this will become 7 plus 1, and your answer is 8. So from here we make a conclusion that if your numerator value is less, then you have to write your whole number. Whatever the whole number value is, you have to just write that value here, right? Whole number. And if your value, numerator value, is greater or equal to the half of your denominator value, then you have to add 1 in the whole number, right? Got it? Okay, moving on to the next portion, which is rounding. Now in this case we have to round improper fractions to the nearest whole numbers. So this is the improper fraction. First step is, first we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. So start counting times table of 9 up till 25 or close to 25. So that would be 1 times 9 is 9, 2 times 9 is 18, and 3 times 9 is 27. That would be bigger. So we have to restrict ourselves up till 2 times 9 is 18. So this is my divisor. Keep your divisor as it is. So 2 times 9 is 18, 27, take away 18, we left with us 7. So this is the mixed fraction we get after converting it. So now see, what is the half of 9? Look at the denominator value. Half of 9 is 4.5. Now compare, either this 7 is greater than 4.5, equal, or less. Since this 7 is greater than 4.5, so we have to add 1 in the whole number, right? So this will become 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So 3 is my answer. Next, 30 over 7. So 7 is your divisor, write it as it is. Now start counting times table of 7 up till 30 or close to 30. So 7, 14, 21 and 28. So 4 times 7 is 28, and remainder will be 30 take away 28 is 2. Now pay attention on to the denominator value. Since this is 7, so half of 7 is 3.5. So now compare this 3.5 with the numerator value. So since 2 is smaller than 3.5, so we keep the whole number as it is. There is no need to add 1. Got it? So all you need to learn this rule, that if your numerator value is less than half of your denominator value, you have to write the whole number. Simple. And if your numerator value is equal or greater than half of the denominator value, then you have to add 1 in the whole number, right? Okay, so we are done. That's nice. So here comes to an end of our today's session. Stay blessed, be happy, keep smiling, and thank you once again guys for watching and learning here. Keep learning and stay safe out there. We'll catch up later.
Waiting for the